Okay, so hi everyone. So today we will learn how to create on hover reports in Tableau. So basically, what an on hover report is. On hover report is whenever you bring your cursor to any chart or any dashboard in Tableau, basically it will pop up another small report for your reference. Okay, so for example, if I bring my cursor onto Minnesota, right, so you can see I can this another small kind of a report is coming up, right, where region is central, state is Minnesota, and sales is 29,000, right? So this is called as an on hover report. Okay, so today we'll learn how to create this and how to change the filter options into a on hover report. Okay, so let's begin. So the first step is you have to create a worksheet which will be your target worksheet. So basically, when you bring your cursor on the chart, then the sheet that you want to show, right, that is called your target sheet. So first step is to create that target worksheet. Okay, so here I have created this sales by state, as you can see. And one good practice is always to have this hover report as small as possible in terms of dimensions, because the wider, or the bigger this report will be, then it will be difficult to fit it on the screen, right? So that's why, if you can see, I have only put three columns over here. One is region, one is state, and one is sales. Okay, now coming to your main sheet, or you can say the main chart, where basically you have to show your target sheet as the on hover report, right? Okay, so I have created this profit margin by state. Okay, it's a map chart, as you can see, where I have given color based on the profit. Okay, so if you'll see my color coding, how I've done is it's a red green diverging based on the profit margin. So as you can see, California looks like to be the greenest here, so that's why the profit here is the most, that is 76k. Now coming to Texas, here it's negative, that is minus 25k, right? Now what I want to show over here is, on this report I want to show my sales by state, right? So basically, if I takes my cursor on Montana, this sales by state report should get filtered only for Montana and give me how much sales was done in that particular state, right? So let's do it. So this is quite simple. The easiest way to do is go to the tooltip. Okay, and here you can see there is one drop down for insert, right? So you have to click on this, and the very first option, sheets. So in this sheet, basically it will give you the list of all the sheets that you have created in your dashboard. So here we are interested in sales by state, right, which is our target sheet. So just click on this. So by default you will see this kind of a script comes up into the tooltip, right? So where sheet name is sales by state, max width is 300, max height is 300, and filter is by default all field, right? So let's see how it looks now. Yeah, so now you can see uh, you are getting this pop-up report where you can see the region central, state is North Dakota, and sale is 919, right? So this is about how to create a hover chart. But now suppose if you want to change some filters, right? So basically by default, as you have seen in the tooltip, filter is all field, right? But suppose if you want to filter only at the state level or only at the region level, then how to do that, right? So let's first remove this all field option from here. Now now let's go step by step. First is to include the only the region filter. Let's see how it looks then. So again you have to click on insert. So what I have done, I have removed all field, I have put my cursor there, and I'm going to the insert options, and I will insert only region here. Okay, now click OK. Now bring your mouse to North Dakota. Okay, so yeah, so now you can see the difference, right? So previously you were seeing the result or the sales only for North Dakota state. Okay, but now you are seeing it for all the state which lies in the region where North Dakota lies, right? So North Dakota is basically lies under central region, right? So After I remove the state from the filters, now it's not filtering on state also equal to North Dakota. It's only filtering on region is equal to central, which is the same region in which North Dakota lies, right? So this is the difference. Now suppose if you want to again include the states, what you can do, you can just put a comma here, go to insert option, select a state, okay, and then click OK. Now it will behave similar to what it how it was behaving previously. See, again it is filtering on region, state, and giving the sale amount, right? So basically by default it was all field, but all field was basically including only region and states, right? So this is equivalent to all field now. But this is how you can include as many dimensions or filter conditions into the sheets, as well as you can remove as well as you can add. So both way you can go. Okay, now coming to one another thing. So initially I told you, right, what happens that, you know, if you will keep your hover reports very big or the dimension will be big, then sometimes in the pop-up it will give you some kind of an error message, right? So let's go to Texas, and here or we can, what we can do, we can add city also here. Okay, so let me make this chart a little bit bigger. Okay. Now if you'll come here, okay, and now as you can see, right, if you see here, you are getting an error message that view is too large to show, right? So this is what I was talking about, right? So basically if you will keep your hover report very big in dimension, or you know, slightly bigger, then you will see this kind of error message. So now how to get rid of this, right? So here what we can do, if the size of our hover report is little bigger, what we can do, we can adjust the height and width of this hover reports again by going into the tooltip option. So as you can see over here, right, we have max width as 300 and max height as 300. Okay, so what I will do, I will increase it to 500, and I will increase this also to 500. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, now at least the width wise it's looking fine, right? The height width has been adjusted well. Okay, but again for the height, is it's still showing view is too large to show, so we'll have to increase the height more. So let me do it to 800. Okay, so yeah, so now I think you will not see that error. So basically it's all about, you know, how to play with this max width and max height. But still I would suggest don't keep it very big, otherwise, you know, the visualization will not look better. Because uh, here you are seeing, right, even though I am going to Montana, but this the height of this pop-up report is so much, I it's really hard for me to analyze, right? So the good practice is to keep it as small as possible. Okay, so yeah, so this was all about hover reports. If you have any questions, you can put me in the comment sections, or you know, you can even drop me an email and I will respond back to you. Okay, thank you so much for watching.